done. All right. Wham, bam, wow, baby. What the? There we go. Alrighty. Okay. Now everything's set up. Man, it took me like 15 minutes just to set everything up. I'm trying really hard to actually set everything this up in time, but it still took me quite a while. And right now we have our first order right here at around uh basically test of the low at around 29 at around 30 actually at the break of 30, and then it does try to come down a little bit, and it just cannot quite reach that 25. So I'm still not get the stop out just yet, so we will see what happens here. Oof, that came real close to my target. Look at this, almost hit my stop loss and almost hit my target. Oof, what a day. แต่ว่าพิมพ์กันเข้ามาคุยกันได้นะครับตอนนี้ใครที่เพิ่งเข้ามานะฮะสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับผมสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับเดี๋ยวจะต้องช่วยให้มันลึกๆหน่อยเพราะว่าดูตรงแล้วน่าจะใกล้เกินไปใกล้อันนี้เกินไปอู้เดี๋ยวต้องไปลดละไม่ไหวไม่ไหวจริงๆเดี๋ยวไปลดละเดี๋ยวไปลดละตอนนี้เริ่มอึดอัดนิดหน่อยนิดหน่อย all right so let me take a look here. Let's go out to this hourly chart. I think market is still anticipating the decision right now. I think they are waiting for a decision. Shall we just go to the live stream of the that orange hat? I'm kind of curious right now what is the decision going to be. I'm probably not going to be trading through this if I don't see an opportunity for it. But right now, I'm actually biased towards going long here. I don't think that we should be playing a short at all right now because oh, it is insane how the price is just keep going up and up and up. So I am not going to be bias that it will fall right away. Even if the decision is that the Trump tariff is valid, I highly doubt that the price will eventually come down. So let's see what happens. And I want to see Trump's tariff decision. Here we go. Live. Where's the live? Is this live? It seems like this is live.
And Jim said, and Bill very strongly confirmed, they've never seen anything like it. In all of the years that they've been in business, they've never seen what's happening now like it. So it's a great honor. But so this plant, you might talk about it. This plant goes 24 hours around the clock. Before it used to go 3 hours around the clock. And all of the U.S. automakers now are doing great. And before they were having a really hard time. You couldn't. The environmentalists would not have let them survive. I don't even think about USMCA. I mean, I want to see Canada and Mexico do well, but the problem is we don't need their product. We don't need cars made in Canada. We don't need cars made in Mexico.
Speaking of, I am actually a Canadian, and I found Trump to be quite irritable. Whenever he talks about Canada, he gives such disrespect that I have a hard time liking him.
But they're all
That's the
doing it
bottom
right
line.
away with
I have a hard
photographs
time
and
liking
such.
him just
To
because
be
of
honest with you, Bill,
his
everything has to
way
be exciting.
of
Everybody
speaking
said
about
that big
Canada.
cars
But
are dead in the
not
United
not
States.
to
If you go back
not to say that
4 years ago under
he's
the
not a
Biden
good
administration,
leader. I'm just
everybody
saying
was
that
closing up their plants. Now we have
he's
more
like
plants
to
being built
piss a
in our
lot of
country
people
than
off.
at any time
He's
in
like to
history.
piss a lot of people off. That's for sure.
Nobody's ever seen anything like it. And it's the election November 5th, and it's other things, but it's also,
Is
I
this
think it's
live? I
maybe
don't
the
think this
biggest
is
part.
live.
The election, because I'm the tariff person. And everybody now admits that I was right on tariff.
I actually wanted to see what happened to the Supreme Court today. One day ago, Supreme Court live. There we go. Supreme Court live. I think it should be right now. Oh, we're in commercial break. Okay. Huh. Trump tariff.
U.S. economy under his leadership, highlighting unprecedented growth and investment. Trump declared a manufacturing renaissance, and soaring household incomes are driving GDP gains unseen in decades alongside a disinflationary boom. He noted the private sector
Doesn't
expanding
seem
by
like there's
over
any
5%
news just yet
due to
right now.
record
So
business investment,
we
possibly
can
the
just
highest in
normally
history,
trade it right
with
here
inflation trends
because
improving.
nothing has been
Trump urged investment
out
in the U.S.,
yet.
proclaiming it the hottest economy worldwide, as
I mean,
smart
that's
money
news
recognizes the
right here
opportunity.
on the.
But behind the bravado is mounting
Well, that's
anxiety.
already news at around
Trump
8:30,
previously
which
warned of a
doesn't
complete mess if
really
the court
affect
overturns
it
his
all that much.
tariffs.
There
On
is a
social
swing
media,
here and
he
there, but
bluntly
it's
declared
not
the
really
country would be
affecting
screwed.
the
Trump
decision
said
here.
a negative ruling would force the U.S. to repay
Economy
hundreds
is
of
doing
billions of
great.
dollars.
I'm
He
more
warned this would
interested
only
in the
be
news over
beginning of the
here
fallout.
on the
According to Trump,
on
companies
Trump
and
right
countries
now.
would also demand compensation. Those demands, he said, would be tied to investments made to avoid tariffs. When those costs are added, Trump said the figure reaches trillions of dollars. He described such a scenario as almost
สวัสดีค่ะ
impossible
สวัสดี
for
ค่ะ
the
น้อง
nation
มุ
to
ก
survive. The Supreme Court decision could arrive as early as
Ooh,
Wednesday.
perfect. Okay.
The case has been delayed once already. 12 U.S. states and multiple small businesses are challenging the tariffs. They argue the levies exceed presidential authority and violate trade law. As the legal clock ticks down, Trump is escalating the rhetoric. He's portraying the ruling as a choice between economic strength and collapse.
There we go. Perfect. All right.
At the same
That's
time,
good.
Trump is aggressively selling optimism on the economy. He praised growth figures and defended his record on jobs. He also renewed attacks on the
I'm waiting for
Federal
this
Reserve
trade to work
Chair.
out right now.
Trump
This is not
accused
going to
the
be
Fed
my
of
one of my
undermining
trade, but
confidence.
I want to see if this is
Right
working
now,
out
I'm feeling pretty good, though,
itself
I will
out.
say. Yeah, you're so lucky to be here. Under our administration, growth is exploding, productivity is soaring, investment is booming, incomes are rising, inflation is defeated, America is respected again like never before, and other than that, we're not doing that well. And now, after less than 12 months in office, this is the easiest speech to make. I have great people, and all I'm doing is
I'll be
spewing
there.
off what the hell we've done. Even Venezuela wasn't too bad, was it, huh? Today, if you announce great numbers, they raise interest rates to try and kill it. So you can never really have the kind of rally you should have. What happens and what we want, we're going to have a lot of great months, a lot of great quarters. I want the market to go up. You announce.
Yeah. I'm actually checking the info right now because it doesn't seem like that's anything going on right now? Hmm. What's happening? What is happening? Why is everything frozen? 1 second. My laptop somehow frozen. Ooh. Okay, maybe I used too much. Okay, never mind. We're back. Okay, my computer is getting a little too hot right now. Oof. Okay. Yikes. My computer is getting a little too hot right now, so we'll see how long this thing lasts. Oh, the Supreme Court decision gonna be coming out at 10 o'clock, so we got another half an hour to go. So let's see if we can actually make some money in the meantime before the 10 o'clock, which is gonna be the decision here. Jesus, really? All right, so we're waiting. We are waiting. Anyway, guys, so how's everybody been trading today? Oh, thank you, Zach. How's it going? Did you trade it today? I am still. It's basically is a sideway day, and I pretty much have my whole day filled with all the events. So I am just waiting to trade today, and that's gonna be news in about half an hour. So at 10 o'clock, the decision from the Supreme Court gonna come and making a decision for in terms of Trump tariff, whether it will be the decision to withdraw it and then reimburse, or is it gonna be continue on? The 75% said that it will be stopped or at least partially stopped. So if that were the case, there's going to be a huge reimbursement. That's going to create a deficit for the U.S. economy for sure, and it's gonna have a huge impact on the DXY, on the DXY. So it will definitely very likely that the price of gold gonna spike up if news came in. So I'm actually waiting for the news right now. Nah, last night Asian session was very nice. Awesome. Sweet. So you were trading Asian session, right? Oh, it's just buy, baby. I mean, right now nowadays Asian session is never selling. It's always been like at least like in the first couple hours, it has always been on a huge uptrend. Always. There's only like one downtrend day, which is January 8th, but oh, actually it's two downtrend day, January 7th and 8th. But other than that, most of the time it's just been going up all the way. And usually, the Asian session doesn't usually have a huge swing, and even if it does, it usually just simply coming back down, and somehow that is not the case right now. Yeah, it's fire for sure. I would imagine, because it the prices keep on spiking right now. So I imagine right now that we are from the low here, we are at around 45 45.90. So 45.90 up to like 46.40. That's only 5,000 points. So imagine that we could head up for another probably 3 to 4,000 points right now. I don't think this is the end. So if this is not the end, and we could end it up like 5,000 more points to the upside, it is very likely that we could see this consolidation be a place to gather up some position, and let's see if it can actually break through 46.70 today. That will be interesting. If it break through 46.70, that would be at least another 3 to 4,000 points. Oof. Either way, I'm actually waiting for it to go up right now. Yeah, 48. I feel like it's just a matter of time before it actually go up right now. Um, However, so far right now, I still don't have anything in terms of like Trump tariff. Um, the uh, it still doesn't change. The decision still doesn't change. That it is 75%. Really likely that they will withdraw the decision on the tariff from the Supreme Court. So who knows? All I know is I have my snacks waiting. Ha ha ha. Here we go. Ha ha. I have my snacks. And I'm gonna finish this all today. Ha ha ha. I don't know if they have it in your country, but it is a squid that's been dried and oven baked. So it's really crispy, high protein, and yeah, it tastes great. A lot of MSG for sure. Right now I'm waiting. You know what? Why not? They didn't swing so widely right now. Why don't I just scalping a little bit here, making a few bucks here and there. But I'm gonna use a martingale strategy, so I need to all right, here we go. I'm gonna transfer like $100. Let's see if I can make like 10 or 15 bucks here. Gonna be buying right now. Basically, if it cannot fall below 46.25, I'm thinking that it will still going to be dancing up and down around here. So it's not really that dangerous to actually placing a buy order, especially when you put such a smaller size in. It, if it does go down really hard for the next 5 minutes, you'll be losing maybe probably like about um 10 to 20 bucks maybe, but that's about it. So let's see if I can actually make like 10 to 15 bucks right now. Oh, here we go. That was quick. All right, I'm actually buying right now, and I'm basically gonna scale up as well. Um, I will be using like a martingale strategy where the longer it actually go down, I will be buying it up until I saw it clearly that it cannot come down. I mean, cannot go up anymore. Then I will likely to just be buying. I mean, be selling on in reverse. Like right now, actually, I'm buying. So, but I'll be closing it really quick here. So, if it cannot break above 30, then I'll be closing it. Oh, here we go. It break above 30 right now, and I am closing it. This is like almost like a scalping strategy that I don't care if the price will head it up to like all-time high. I just want to scale like maybe um 5, 6, 7, 8, $10 right here. That I don't even know if the decision is gonna be up or down. I just know that it's gonna be sideways. So if the price is sideways, then I want to have it securing. Oh wow, that was quite fast. Give me one moment. Let's see here. That is a huge spike right now. Spike to both the upside and the downside. Okay, so here we go. I am actually uploading about $8 right now, and if it okay, there we go. I am securing, like, if you have money to throw away, you could make like easily like right now. Oh, I forgot to do this mirror thing. Okay, so right now I am putting in just then about $100, and I made like $10 within a minute here. And that is because I do know that it's gonna be sideways before the news. So whenever the price actually come down quite hard, I just playing a buy order and I am martingaling it. So as you can see right here, I placed like buy, and then it actually shot up. I was like, hey, whatever price I get, I'm getting it, and I don't want to hold it too long because then you'll be expose yourself to the swing right now. So I want to just take a quick in, quick out, and that's about it. Right now, it looks almost like to make a decision. If it does form the tail again, I would be buying. So that's how I play when it is before the news that I know it's not really going to make any decision yet. So I am going to wait for another pullback and then I'll be buying. Simple as that. And don't play it very much here. I play it like only 200 point, 300 point with like 0.01 lot. Just like I have like $10,000, so I don't really care about like lose 10, 20, $50 here and there. But it is a good, I feel like it's a good warm-up exercise for me to actually be quick and be alert on the dollar here before the actual trading session begins right after 10 o'clock, because we're going to have news today, and the news at 10 o'clock is going to be about decision on Trump's tariff, which going to be a significant change as well. Let me just change this back mirror. There we go. It looks kind of weird for me. So right now, mm, to be honest, it looks like about to make a decision to go to the downside, so I'm not going to be buying just yet. Let's just sit back, hang tight, and see what it wants to do right now. I don't want to be too greedy. Plus, that $10 is already earned me a meal today. No need to rush it. I'm biased towards going long right now. Very biased. Hey, how you doing? How's it going, guys? We are about to head into Trump tariff decision from the Supreme Court, and we will be trading after the news. That's done. Let's wait for it. Come on. Let's go up, up, up. Wow. I'm surprised the drop happened before the news came out right now. I don't think it will making a drop. So I think it might be a liquidity sweep. Trust me. I'm waiting to go long right now. I'm pretty sure this is a liquidity sweep. So let's see if it can actually come down to like at least 46.10. If it can come down to 46.10, then great. We have a good price to actually be going for a long position right now. I'm not thinking that it's gonna go down at all today. It's definitely gonna go up. Just waiting for this pullback right here. Con nóiมากวนอีกแล้ว Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, Zach, for all the likes right now. I don't think the price will go down at all right here. At all. So let it finish doing its thing. Yep. I think we're gonna go up from here. Let it drop to like 15 again, 46.15, then we'll be buying. The Supreme Court decision definitely gonna make gold bullish. This is what I think gonna happen. I'm tempted to actually buy right here. We'll wait until 10 o'clock, then we'll buy. Wait until 10, then buy. Wow. It might reach 42.10, 46.10 before it. $46.15 now. Cannot pass. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hand first. Because it's all over my hand right now. All right. I think we could play like a small buy right here in another 20 seconds at around like 46.20. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't get it. I have a small position buy that like 20, thinking that it should go up. We have 15 more minutes before the news. Right now, I'm just going to be scalping. Yeah, like I said, I'm basically martingaling because like I don't think it's gonna smash it down before the news. So I think this is basically uh, a liquidity sweep to get people out from like buying right now, or people are unloading their position before the big news. But I think the news is definitely gonna go to the upside. So there's only like people who are panic selling right now. So let's wait to see if it will go up right here. My stop loss is gonna be like below 46.10. If it does go down below 46.10, then I'll cut all my losses. But right now, I'm just gonna skimming maybe like $2, $3, $5 here and there. Like I said, I'm doing this right before the news. Hey, boss, how you doing? I'm doing this right before the news because I know that no matter what, it definitely not gonna go up or go down very much. So, like I said, here we go. See, I can make this prediction is because I already know that it is very likely that the decision won't be made just yet. So there will be a lot of uncertainty, and people are gonna be like panic selling, panic buying, and yeah. Are you coming back, boss? Are you coming back to Bangkok yet? Or are you guys still over there at the temple? Anyway, so I'm gonna wait for this tomorrow. Okay, good, good. So I'm gonna wait for this to actually jump up in this one green candle and basically smashing beyond 46.20, and then I'm gonna be closing for like $4 or $5 win. I'm not gonna be aiming to get a lot of it out. Like people will be really stressing about like the risk reward and stuff like that. But when it during before the news, it's either you're willing to lose like $10-20, or you are but you regularly gaining, and that's how I usually play this, like personally. But of course, there are times where it make a decision before the news, and that's when I really had to accept that, oh, I was wrong, and that's when we actually lose a huge sum of money. But right here, if it does break down beyond 4610, which is basically a drop about 4,000 points from the high, then I'll have to really accept that, oh wow, it's actually making a decision before the news, and it's not a liquidity sweep anymore. Okay, now it actually dropped beyond 4610, so I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to finish, and if it does still continue to be red, then I will accept the losses, and then I will try to close this trade right here. But if it's coming back above 4610, I'm gonna be holding it still. And like I said, I actually did this in like a martingale style. So the more I wait, the more I increasing my risk. So I don't want to wait too much right after it's pulled back up to maybe like 46.15, somewhere around there. I will very likely to actually be closing this trade. And the reason I can do that again is because I know that the decision should not be making yet. So it should be waiting for the Trump decision. So right now, it actually landed around 4610. As long as it doesn't go back down below 4600, I think we should still be good right here. So let's see. Right now it's about to reach 4600, which would be a huge drop right here if it does reach below 4600. So let's see it. If it won't go down, it go down. That's nothing to it. This decision is not gonna make me feel like, oh, I'm losing a whole bunch of money. I don't have any. No, I already prepared that. Whatever happens, let's say that it doesn't bounce like I expected to at around 4610, then I will just accept that, and then let it go down to my stop loss, which is going to be below 4600, because right now this is going to be the last bounce right here at 4610. If it's not bouncing, that means it actually chooses the direction that it wants to come down. Right now it's already dropped like more than 3,000 points. So if there is no pullback at all at 4610, I will have to accept that we might actually be going on to the low side here at 4600, because whatever the outcome might be, maybe Trump decision might be sticking. 45.97 or lower. Let's see it. But like I said here, right after this bounce, and I'm starting to see this bounce right now. If it does bounce in the next 15 minutes or so, I will be closing this trade that it is bouncing up. So like I said before, this is what I mean right here. So I am actually doing a martingale on this thing, but I don't suggest to do it if you don't prepare to accept the losses. I only put in like $100, which is basically, a nice, not a big money. It's only like 1% of my account, so I'm prepared to actually lose this. But in the meantime, I would like to get at least like 20-30 bucks in before we actually doing the real trade when the price is actually coming out with the news. So that's basically my kind of trade though. But I totally understand if you do want to wait for certainty. It actually is a good idea as well, so that when you are if you are losing the first $100, you might not have the enough, might not be in a good mental state to actually prepare to play for real. But for me, it feel like, yeah, I spent $100 to just get a warm up in, you know. So, and plus, I'm actually thinking that we are definitely gonna go higher here. So I believe this is gonna be a liquidity sweep, and right now it's actually going up. Like I said, it leaving me a nice bottoming tail, and right here at 46.15, I'm gonna close this with like a $20 win right here. And like I said, I'm not gonna play it very long. Oh, come on. I just show it and then it just drop on me. Come on, up, 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 up. Give me $20. Give me $20. Give me $20. Yeah, it's not. It's definitely not gonna give me $20. Come on, come on, come on. Up, 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 up. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's not gonna give me $20. So I'm securing this with maybe 7.15. Come on. Is it really not gonna give me $20? Okay, yeah, it's not gonna give me $20. So I'm waiting for it to actually reach that 15 right there, and here we go. There. So with that, I made about $30 here. But at the same time, like I said, you really gotta be prepared to, losing that $100 as well. And I have done this enough time that I know that I will get like $10, $5, $10, $20 here and there. And the worst case would be I'm losing that $100. But then I will have the confidence to know that I know how to play this. I have made analysis. I can adapt to the market, and it serves as a little warm up before I actually get into this trading. Because we're gonna have the big news here in about 6 minutes. I have no idea where it will go. My preference, my bias is that it is likely to actually go up. So with it 15 minutes, leaving a long bottoming tail right now as well, I feel like it is very likely that it will shoot higher. So I'm not gonna place any trade at the beginning yet. ฮัลโหลครับพี่เชนนะเดี๋ยวผมไลฟ์อยู่อะครับพี่เชนสามารถเข้ามาดูได้นะฮะครับเดี๋ยวพี่เชนเข้ามาดูได้นะฮะแต่ว่าผมไลฟ์อีกประมาณชั่วโมงหนึ่งอะครับอ่าได้ครับผมโอเคครับไว้คุยกันครับสวัสดีครับ sorry one of my trainer just calling in and I just tell them that hey come to my trading channel just come to my trading channel. It's much easier to explain it over the channel. And oh my god, I can't believe that silver just ripped off right now. It's just been skyrocketing right now. It was 79 before. Now it's actually 91. Oh my god. I feel like silver gonna outperform gold pretty soon. I feel like silver gonna shot up again today. Man, silver has been phenomenal. While we're trading gold, silver has just been a hero right now. All right. We are 4 minutes before the trading session at on the news here. 4 more minutes before the news. Anybody who have their bias? Anybody have their money on going long or going short right now? Actually, I have my money on going long, but I'm not putting on trade just yet. What do you guys think? Comment it. Comment down. I really want to know if you guys actually agree with me that it is very likely to going up right now. Here we go. Here we go. I'm basically gonna trade through this the whole way through here. I keep forgetting to share my live streaming. So now I'm trying to do it a couple minutes before the actually big news. And this is going to be a huge news right here. That I'm not going to make a decision just yet because I have no clue where it will go. All I know is that I am biased toward it going long. And in about a minute and a half here, it will change the decision. It will have the news and a huge impact for sure. I'm biased that it's gonna go long. I'm very biased right now. เซเวอร์วิ่งแรงเกินครับจริงจริงเซเวอร์คือแบบเป็นฮีโร่มากเอาจริงนะน่าจะซื้อทิ้งไว้สักสักหลอดหนึ่ง รวยเลยนะแต่ไม่คิดไงว่าแบบว่าเอ้ยมันจะเข้าได้ตรงไหนอะไรอย่างเงี้ยต้องเล่นกับซีลองเลยอะช่วงนี้นะโอ้แต่ว่าไม่เราไม่เคยเล่นซิลเวอร์ไงก็เลยไม่รู้ว่าอ่าก็เลยไม่รู้ว่าเอ้ยมันได้เปล่า แบบ stop loss แค่ไหนถึงพออะไรเงี้ย คือบางทีวันก่อนอะ stop loss 5,000 จุดยังไม่พอเลยนะสำหรับซิลเวอร์อะแบบเวลามันเหวี่ยงแรงมันก็คือแรงจริงๆเลยอะเลยอืมยังเลยมาเล่นมาเทรดตัวเนี้ยเทรดทองเนี่ยรู้สึกแบบเรารู้ว่าจะเล่นหลอดไซส์ประมาณไหนหลอดไซส์ประมาณไหนต้องมีเงินประมาณไหนถึงจะเอาอยู่อะไรเงี้ยนะฮะโอเค eight seven six five four three two one here we go here's the decision time right now and is it coming out yet? Come on. Okay. No decision has been made yet. I think it's just about to. It's about to. I think somebody about to say it in person. So we might have to wait at least about half an hour here. Ooh, but the drop, man. Man, the drop. Yeah, the volatility is wild right now. Oh, here we go. Look. It's about to actually go up. It's about to go up right now. It's about to go up right now. My money is on going up. My money is on it going up right now. But then again, like I said, I don't have a crystal ball. So is Trump tariff going to be reversed? If it's reversed, definitely that's gonna be a huge spike to the upside. But if not, this is the this is gonna be really interesting because if it's not, we are gonna be dropping like a rock. Like gold gonna be dropping like a rock because everybody expect that hey, it's gonna go higher, and if it doesn't, because the U.S. economy did not reverse their position on the decision to withdraw the tariff, which means Trump can do whatever he wants, whether it be taking Greenland or trying to make Canada the 51st state. He can do whatever he wants, and the Supreme Court not gonna be doing anything. Oh wow, it's actually dropping hard right now. Holy moly! You know how I said the money? I have my money on it going up. Right now, you really have to agree that with the drop like this, it definitely is going down. So don't try to go against the current. Let's see if the 2600 will hold. If it does not hold, definitely we are going down right now. So let's wait and see right now. Right now, things are not what I expected at all. Right now, things are actually looking to the downside. And of course, if the trend is actually down, we are definitely going to be placing a short order. All right, all right. Okay. No news just yet. I mean, it's only the first few minutes, so I still don't see any news. I'm trying to checking around town right now, but the price is dropping hard. So we are playing with the charts here, okay? So we are not going to base our decision on what we thought the reasoning behind it and this and that. We are not going to base our decision on that. We are going to base the decision to um place an order with the with the graph. Okay, so whatever chart tell us, that's what we will do. We are not definitely not gonna say that, oh, because the fundamental is this, because the government is doing that. Like those things are, it could really distract you from extracting the money from the market because you're so biased that it will go up or down. But what you should do is just go with the flow, go with whatever market tells you, because the market will be the one that making that decision to either going up or down. And whatever reason you have, totally gonna be cast aside because the market just gonna keep doing what it's doing. All right. Okay. Perfect. So, yep. Right now the session is active and yep, they are just in the opinion right now. So, okay. So waiting for 10:10, 4 more minutes for the decision. I am going to play like putting another whoops right here. I am going to use another right here. We don't need to look at that anymore. ตอนนี้มีไหมยังคะหนูมาสายยังไม่มีค่ะเพราะว่าวันนี้เนี่ยมันเป็นวันที่เรารอดูนะว่าข่าวเนี่ยอีก10นาทีเนี่ยมันจะ reverse Trump tariff หรือเปล่านะคะซึ่งเอาจริงๆนะพี่มองว่ายังไงก็ยังไงก็โดนอ่ะเอาจริงๆยังไงทรัมป์น่าจะ Here we go. Supreme Court ruling.
The fact that we haven't seen as much hiring. Jamie Dimon alluded to it, but nobody's talking about any big turn in the credit cycle or in the economic cycle. I think it says more about, the bar's higher.
Come on.
Because the stock market has done
I
so
want
well.
to see
It's come into a year.
I want to see Trump tariff right now. Where is it? Nope, not that one. Let's see.
When the market goes up, they should lower rates. Our growth potential
Nope,
is
that's not live.
unlimited.
That's not live, guys. I'm trying to find the Trump tariff from the Supreme Court. Let me see if I can have the Supreme Court live. Maybe Supreme Court live.
Sports. It correlates.
So
Well, this is the best I can get right here.
and we don't know we haven't seen.
Maybe it's very insider.
Whether they're going to be required to repay some of those tariffs, because there could be a compromise decision on the courts. I think we can't tell so far, but I suspect there'll be other ways they can.
So the decision will be in about 2 minutes right now.
Very focused on
Buy now, 45.97 to 46.06. Be careful. Yep, I'm actually biased towards going long as well. หนูเพิ่งคืนทุนเองหนูเพิ่งคืนทุนเองค่ะ ยังไม่มีลำไยเลยไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไรมา เดี๋ยวเรามาลองดูกันนะคะ เพราะว่า yeah, right now I'm really wanting to buy right here. Like I'm really wanting to buy right here. But let's wait 2 more minutes because the decision gonna come from this Trump tariff decision gonna come in about 2 minutes right here. Usually it wait until that very exact moment before they actually said what their decision is. Right now they're just on a no, I can't. Yeah, I really want to go long right now. Like right now, I really want to go long right now.
Well, is it that, or are they waiting because they need some more clarity on how?
Yeah, I really want to place a long order right here.
I mean, even the
It just touched 4600 and it's spiking right now. It just touched 4600 and it's spiking up right now. So I'm thinking that it is likely that we're gonna see it gonna head up higher.
Labor markets, yeah, they're softening.
Somebody said go sell. Yeah, it's risky. It's way too risky right now. I'm gonna wait right here. This is a decision.
Hard to read some of those reports because they're still being.
This is the decision right now.
But it doesn't really appear that
Come on.
is moving down back to 2%. It's been stable.
Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing. Ooh.
Well above
Nothing yet.
targets.
Nothing yet. Nothing yet.
Spot that cut 3 times, cutting into an economy that looks like it's strengthening.
I'm really biased that it will go up, but from the way it dropped, it actually like dropping like 4,000 points as of right now. I don't dare to actually place a buy order. I don't know what you guys thinking, but my personal decision is I don't think I should be buying right now.
Shows that the labor market's deteriorating further than they perhaps will want to move in March. But again, if the labor market,
My money is actually going long. Just the question is, like, that's just the question of where to put my long position in.
If you're right, Loretta, does that antagonize
But it's
the
still
White House
doing
movement?
a
We haven't seen
lower high, lower low, which means it is a downtrend market on the minute chart, and of course the on the higher time frame it looks like a huge drop without any pullback yet. So even if we did have a go at it, we might just be buying on just a pullback. So we don't want that.
knew what was happening. And then, the rally behind Jay from many different parts, right? Republicans, some Democrats,
Ooh,
ex-central bankers.
wow, that spike up so hard right now. That spike up so hard right now.
That has sort of quelled this a little bit, but I don't anticipate this being the last.
Okay, if it cannot come down below 4610, I am definitely like if it cannot pass 4610 right here, I'm thinking that I'm gonna be buying soon.
And even
Like around 4610, that's where I will be buying. But then the stop loss is gonna be at least like 1,000 points.
policy based on economics, financial development.
I will be buying at 4610. Let's wait for it to touch 4610 and see if it is going to go up or not.
And put into people's minds that perhaps
เด้งจริงและเด้งเซลล์
appropriately, and that's a problem.
พี่ว่าถ้ามันลงมาไม่ต่ำกว่า4,610 นะพี่ว่าขึ้นเรื่อยเลย
How easy it
คนวงในรู้แล้วตอนเนี้ยคนวงในรู้แล้ว
questioning Fed,
คนวงในรู้กันหมดละ
then I think there's a problem.
H4 on DD zone
Because we haven't really seen any
Okay.
big reaction in the bond market or the dollar, at least to this latest.
H4 on the divergence
Well, firstly, that can change because we know bond markets can react. But I think they're
Oh, man.
probably right in looking at what's happened so far. And the Fed has been very
Ah,
good about
it did not go down.
those
It did not
distractions aside
head down
and
right now.
basing policy on the economics. And I think the bond
So I'm not
market,
gonna
especially seeing the
place a
reaction
oh man, it's
from
gone up
various,
already.
you know,
Yeah, you're right.
legislators,
A buy at like
ex-presidential
4,600 would be a
secretaries
good
have said,
would be a
okay,
really
I
good
think the Fed
buy.
is going to continue
I
to
am
do
just
policy
wanna
based on
have a
its
confirmation,
principles
wait for
of
pullbacks, and
focusing
then
on
buying it for it.
stability
But
and
right now it seems like we're gonna miss the
pushing
chance.
aside this political influence. But that could change depending
Yeah,
on
I'm like I said,
what
I'm
happens
actually
with
biased
the
toward
Justice
going long right now.
Department's case and whether there are, as you say, other ways that the president can influence policy.
Loretta, appreciate it very much. Important
Okay,
topic
let's
on
wait
this.
right here. If it cannot come
All
down
right, take
below
care.
4610,
Let's check
I
in.
will be
Janice
buying.
on this SCOTUS decision.
Right here around 4610. Here we go. Here's a pullback.
This is Network 18, and you're watching.
Come on. Oh,
CNBC
wow.
18.
It just touched 4611 and it's just going to go up right away.
Good evening. Let's do it right with Nuvama presents.
I am going to buy it at 4611 if it can. Oh my god, it did not give me. I was about to go long at 4611. It just did not give me.
Falling 245 points to 83,382, and the Nifty down 67 points at 25,666. Nifty Bank remains.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have another pullback here. I think that was the only pullbacks we're gonna have.
Metal stocks extend gains with Vedanta hitting a record.
I think that's gonna be the only pullback we're gonna have. So it's either we're gonna be buying right here and have a stop loss like way more than 1,000 points, or we are gonna wait for the actual pullback that might not even came.
Drops nearly 3% as Brent crude rises above $65.
ไม่เซลแล้วพับไม่เซล
Slips
ไม่เซล
3%
แล้ว
block deal.
บายอย่างเดียวตอนนี้
and Just Dial fall after Q3 results. ONGC and Oil India gain 2% each, tracking.
I'm waiting for 4610.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Did you know, before the budget, the government has already told us how it thinks the economy is.
In sports. It correlates strongly with countless athletic advantages like size, muscle.
This was a pump of roughly about 10%.
Yeah, it's just spiking up now หนูนึกว่ามันจะมาเก็บตรงที่เก็บกับอะไรนะเก็บกระโดดอู้หูว้าว Okay, the more I'm trying to find Trump decision, it seems like the more I'm see a bunch of commercial. So never mind. All right. Either way, we are gonna be trading with the news right now, and let me just researching on news right here. I think the best way to actually search for information right now is just to really search for it. Hey bro, how you doing? How are you doing? Oh, Chankan, how you doing? หนูนึกว่ามันจะเก็บตรงเก็บกระโดดใช่ไหม No, it's not doing anything. So right now I am asking if the decision has been made yet and which decision that would be, because right now the price is spiking like I expected. However, it does drop to like 4600 before it actually jump up another 2000 point. Right here, if we actually playing according to the shot, we should see a nice drop to at least 4610, and we might actually going up again. So now, yep, the official confirmation, the session is over. Can you believe that? They said that, yep, it's concluded. The conclusion is no tariff decision has been made today. My God! What am I waiting for? What is all this anticipation for? God dang it. Wow. No tariff decision today. Okay. So yeah, the case release was blah blah blah. No tariff opinion. The session has concluded. The justice have finished the opinion announcement and are moving on to oral argument. There will be no opinion released today. So after all the conversation, it seems like they will have to go back to drawing board, discuss the pro and cons of it, and then we'll make a decision in the next following days. Which is, my God, I've been waiting for all this, and Jesus, really? What this means is that um you kick it down the road, Jesus. You may see you will crash. Da, 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 da. Okay, so they think, I think they delayed the decision to like Friday. So my play right now, because of the drop, I am gonna place a short order right here. I'm going to place a short order right here because it cannot go past 4620. I am going to place my short order right here because I know it's a huge drop and a huge pullback, but with the play, if I were to play my own trade right now, I don't think it's gonna go past 4625 very much, and that's why I am going to place a sell order right here. And at around 46, probably 4622. Come on. Maybe up a little bit more. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Up, up, up. Nope. Never mind. Okay, I'm placing my short order right here. 4622. Placing my short order and stop loss of 500 points. Target 1000 points. This will be my usual play right here. This is my go-to when I don't know what to do. I'm playing with this decision right here. Selling at 4622. Sorry, 10,000 point. Oh, sorry, not 10,000, 5,000 point. Here we go. Boom. Right there. And I'll say to the group here, sell now. My God. The moment I said sell now, it jumped like sell 2-2แล้วคะใช่ค่ะ sell now, sell now, right now, sell now. So the moment I said sell now, it jumped like 400 points. Gotta love that. I gotta love that. Oh my God. That's fine. Wow. If it hit the stop loss, it hits stop loss. You know, you can't win every day. And today is like one of those days where I don't know if I'm gonna win it or not. I mean, I already have like a huge win for the past couple weeks. Why sell? Why sell is because this is my usual play that if I see a pullback down to this 1 minute EMA time frame, 1 minute time frame and EMA 144, I'm usually see a pullback at around that time. So that's why I place a sell order right now. But like I said, it is a very because of the drop that happened before, I feel like the drop will continue. So that's why I'm not hesitant to actually place a sell order according to my play at around 1 minute shots. And we should see a drop of like about 1,000 points. So we should be having a target around 46.22. So let's go. Man, that's a mouthful. Yeah. Here we go, 46.22. Oh. All right. We are in a positive territory right now. Oh, come on. The moment I said we are in positive, and then it's just like spiking up right now. Oh, okay. We are not in the positive territory anymore. We are not in the positive territory anymore. Let's wait to see if the price can come down below 46.20. If the price can come down below 46.20, then we can just let it ride right here. It definitely gonna pull back at least like about $1,000. I mean 1,000 points before we head it up. Before we going for a higher price right now. So let's see what happens here. Oh, น่าทุน น่าทุนแล้วเหรอยังไม่ได้ลงเลยนะราคายังไม่ได้ลงเลยนะพี่เพิ่งให้เซลล์ไปเองนะ so place my sell order right now at 46.22. If it does come down below this, we are definitely going to be in it for the money for at least about 1,000 points. เซลล์25น้องบวกไป400จุดเลยกันหน้าทุนค่ะอ๋อโอ้เซลล์25สวยเลยนะน่ะnot too sure if we're gonna have a good breakdown on this one because the spike has been quite significant here. It's spiking like 2,500 points. So in order for it to stop here, it needs to, oh no, it's about to actually reaching the high right now. As long as this is the, like, it consolidating a little bit around here, it is likely that we're gonna see it to the downside. หนูรอบีแล้วค่ะหน้าทุนพอเลย All right, come on. Let's go. Let's go to the downside right now. We're actually in it for the money. It needs to first break that 46.20 though. That 46.20 is the key level. If it does not break, it is very likely to actually go up, hit our stop, and then that will be it for the day. I've been waiting for Trump decision the whole day today, and when the news came out that they don't make any decision, it's such a letdown. It's like, oh, it's like you were anticipating for a football season all week, and then somehow it's raining, so they cancel it. That is basically the exact same feeling that I have right now with the news today. So let's see. We're just gonna play it with our usual play here, that the price has dropping already, and here we go. It continues to drop right now. It continues to drop right now, and it should drop to reach that 46.10 before it's sideways and possibly going up a little bit more. So right now, let's see. I'm only gonna take my target at 46.10. We will be playing today only this much. To be honest, because I want to get the price to go down before the end of the session, so I'm not going to play anything longer than 1,000 points for today. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can actually secure another 1,000 points right here. Oof. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We are about to reach our first target at 46.12. And you know what? I am going to wait. Let's see if we can actually get it. Our first target here is 46.12. And if we can get it down below 46.10, we could possibly see it to the low at 46.02 right now. Come on, come on, come on. Down, 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 baby. Down, down, down. Jeez. Oh, don't tell me it's stuck all the way back up. Come on down. Decision time right now. Come on. 500 more points. Going down from here, 500 more points, and then we will be done for our first target. Go, go, go. Man, today's worked out great. This sell position works out great. Let's see, 46.12 right now. Come on, come on, come on. Down, down we go. Down, baby. Down, baby. Down, down, down. Just reverse it back up. If it go back up above 46.20, I'm going to place my stop loss at break even right now. If it does go up to break even, I am going to be done for the day. Yeah, no question asked. I'm definitely not going to be waiting around to see if it spike up and then going to hit my SL. I'm going to place my stop loss at break even right now. All right, here we go. 200 more points, baby. 200 more points. And then we will be in it for the money. Come on. That's our first target, 1,000 points. 1,000 point hit. Boom. Right there. 1,000 point hits. All right. 1,000 point hit. Let's see if it can come down for some more. I am going to. Oh, wow. Nice decision. How's that, Sav? How's that, Zach? 1,000 point done. $1,000 point done. First target reach. All right, now let's see if we can actually reach our second target, which is going to be waiting to break. Very good. I did buy, not sell. That's all right. That's all right. You have your own plan. I have mine, and mine actually tell me to sell. So I did my selling position right now. And I'm not gonna stay here for very long. So as long as it doesn't break 46.12, I'm gonna be out. Man, it's so close to first target reach. Come on, down a little bit more. Down a little bit more so I can capture and set to everybody that first target done. You know what? First target done. Now we're waiting for the second target, which is going to be on lower. Oof. That's a good one. Just come on down right now. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see if it can break the 46.10 right here. If it cannot break 46.10, you might as well just secure your first target right now. Yep, it's not going down. It's not going down right now. So if it's not going down, your option is either to wait for it to really breaking down, or we actually waiting for it to pull all the way back up. So that's really had to be a decision for you. Whatever you decide is really gonna have a factor on the outcomes. So I don't know if that makes sense, but I want to secure at least half right here. I'm securing at least half right here, so that when it does drop some more, I don't miss out. And at the same time, if it does go up, I don't feel like I don't have anything. I want to have a little bit of reward for my first good decision. And if it continues down some more, great. If it's not, it's not. So, and here's the key thing about trading as well. You want to have that little reward for your psychology, because trading, it can go either way. Okay, so what you need to realize is, in trading, no matter how good of a decision you think you made, you can always be wrong. So when the opportunities come for you to reward yourself, you need to be able to do that, and then be glad, like being kind to yourself every step of the way when you're trading. That's the bottom line here. You don't want to try to be too hard on yourself, because when you're losing money, it's already painful enough. If you're hard on yourself again, on top of the trading that is already hard, you're not gonna have enough strength to actually playing the next day. So that is very important when it comes to trading and staying in this field long term. So ใครเก็บออเดอร์ไปยังเมื่อกี้นี้ผมเก็บไปแล้วนะพันจุดนะฮะผมเก็บไปแล้วนะ1,000 จุดนะฮะโอ้โหดีดขึ้นมาได้อู้ เกินไป 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 นะฮะ ตอนนี้ดีดขึ้นมาแล้ว ใครยังไม่ได้เก็บนี่คือ ก็ทำใจด้วยนะ เก็บแล้วจะไปไหนก็ไปเลย Yeah, she said that I already secured my profit. Whatever you do, I don't care anymore. Well, you still need to leave some on table just in case, you know, it doesn't go your way. I mean, in case it does go your way, you don't feel like you're missing out. So here's a really nice trick for you to basically have your cake and eat it too, is to only close half or 3/4 of it so that you feel safe that you are having a profit in the back. But then again, you don't want to take it, take profit all of it, because then you don't have anything on the table when the market wants to give you some more. And my play usually being that if I actually more than 1-to-1, I will secure at least half. Sometimes I secure like 75%, 80%, just because I don't really know what the market's gonna do next. And when I had a little bit more than 1-to-1, I feel safe that, hey, I secure my win. That will, being on top of how I become more than 50% win rate. So don't know if that really makes sense to you, but if it doesn't, just DM me. I will explain to you in detail, because it's very important for you as a trader to not only stick by the rules but also be kind to yourself, because the thing that you need to protect other than your portfolio is your heart. You really need to keep yourself motivated, wanting to trade some more. And when you actually saw a lot of it sell, you saw a lot of, not a really bad trades. It kind of weighed down on you, so you don't want that. When you're not making money, you don't want it to. Oh, yep. Wow, it's coming all the way back up. I didn't think it will coming all the way back up this hard right now. That's why we secured our profit. Yeah, I'm actually not having a confident about this trade at all, to be honest. But we did secure our first profit, and like I said before, try to secure when we reach our first target. Try to secure at least some. It don't need to be all, but at least some, because I don't really know what will happen here. And look at this. After we secure our first target right here at 46.12, it just jumped all the way up to 46.20. Wow. Okay, so if you haven't hit your break even point, well, you can hold a little bit more. But for me personally, I'm pretty much done here, because I saw this. It does fall according to how I play it. We secure 1,000 points here today, and well, that's it. We are basically our time's up, and we are having only like about 19 minutes left. So if you have any questions, you can ask right now. And here's today's another win. Today is another win. My God, I have like 6-day win and 1 day losing for this past week. I don't know if I want to trade for the next couple weeks here, because I already have way more points than like way more profits than any other month right now. Yeah, this month has been great, to be honest. ลงไปรับแถว 4,600 หน่อยก็ไม่ได้ ไม่ได้แล้ว สงสัยเราต้องมีแล้ว ไม่รู้เหมือนกัน พี่ไม่เล่นแล้วนะ พี่ไม่เล่นแล้วนะ พี่มาแค่นี้นะฮะ so yeah, I came here securing 1,000 points, done for the day. That's it. This is how I play, by the way, guys. This is how I am making money every single day. I don't need to make sorry, let's backtrack that. I don't need to make money every single day, but with the stat that I have, like losing only 500 points and winning like more than 1,000, I usually come out on top, even if I'm 50-50 in my win rate here. And for me personally, right now, I had played 7 days. 6 days I'm winning already, and only 1 day lose. So I could lose for the rest of the month and still be profiting. That's the beautiful things about having a nice risk reward is that when you actually winning, you don't really need to care if you are losing as much as you're winning, you know. And whenever you are doing this guessing game, it's always going to be 50-50. But if you did it enough right time, then you're very likely to see the profit in your account. And this is what happened here. You want to stay on course no matter what happened, no matter if you are hitting a lot of SL, you're hitting a lot of TP, no matter what, just stay on course, because in the end of the day, nobody knows really what the future will hold, but you will know that if you are staying the course, you will see the result that you have been back tested it, feel confident in it, and the more experience you have, let's say you play like me, I'm playing it for like 10-12 years right now. It is very predictable. It's either gonna go your way as you predicted, or it's not. And if you have a plan to secure both sides, there's no stress here. It's like you're throwing a dice. You actually are playing with the chances that it's really gonna be tipping in your direction. So right now, me personally, I don't have any trade at the moment. If you're still holding your position, congratulations. Let's hold it and see if it can break that 4610. However, for me personally, I'm done for the day. Having this trade, securing my profit within 10 minutes, and that's it. พี่วินได้เยอะไหมครับวันนี้ได้อยู่ได้เยอะอยู่ก็หลักหมื่นอยู่ ก็เล่นตั้งแต่ช่วงกลางวันนะก็ได้มานิดๆหน่อยๆนิดๆหน่อยๆแล้วก็มาช่วงเย็นเนี่ยพี่ก็ได้มาอีกเมื่อกี้อีก1,000 จุดนะถ้าเกิดว่ารวมๆแล้วก็น่าจะประมาณสัก 3-4,000 จุดแหละเออก็ไม่เยอะมากแต่ก็ค่าข้าวอยู่ ได้ค่าข้าวอยู่นะครับ so she was asking me like did I earn a lot today? Today has been a pretty good day so far. Even though I'm kind of very unpredictable right here. But before that, I know that we are waiting for the news on Trump. So it is going to be consolidation. So I using the the gold swing strategy here. This is my custom tools that draw out the wave, a river wave right here, that I know if the price is extended to the downside, then it's going to go up. Price extended to the upside, it's going to go down. Up, down, up, down. I'm just playing with this swing right here throughout the day until recently right now that we were saying at around 9 o'clock that there's going to be news. It's definitely going to be choosing a direction. And I'm waiting for 10 o'clock to see if there's any spike happening. And of course, there is a spike right here at around 10 or 10. Sorry, 1010 right here. That is spike up 2,000 points. However, when I actually check the news, the decision comes in that it doesn't have any decision been made. So the likelihood that it's gonna go up is diminished, and it definitely gonna play along with the normal usual play. So that's why when there's a sell signal along with the sell signal from the TTS, that it chooses the direction that it come down already, why this being a red label as well, I tend to sell right here. And even if it almost reached my stop loss, I have no problem hitting my first target. And I know that playing this enough time, I am going to come on winning in the end. So I hope that helps. And หนูบวกแค่400เองค่ะอย่างน้อยก็บวกอยู่อุ้ยได้มากได้น้อยนี่คือแบบดีมากแล้วลูกคือมุกพี่ต้องพูดอย่างนี้ว่าการเงินมากเงินน้อยก็เงินหรือเปล่าถ้ ถ้าเราสามารถรักษาได้ พี่บอกเลยว่ายังไงงานเนี้ยก็เป็นอะไรที่เราสามารถดึงเงินจากตลาดได้เรื่อยๆแน่นอน แล้วมันก็จะขึ้นอยู่กับทุนละคราวเนี้ยแต่ถ้าเกิดว่าแบบเฮ้ยเราคิดว่ามันน้อยจังเลย อย่าคิดว่ามันน้อย เอาแค่ว่าเราได้เงินเนี่ยถือว่าดีมากแล้ว ให้เตือนตัวเองไว้ตรงนี้เยอะๆเลย และอย่าไปเสียใจตอนวันที่เสียเงิน แค่ให้รู้ว่าวันไหนที่เสียเงินอะเรามีวันอื่นที่ได้มากกว่าไหม ถ้ามันมีวันอื่นที่ได้มากกว่า เราปล่อยวาง เดี๋ยวเราก็จะไปหาวันที่ได้มากกว่านึกออกไหมแต่วันไหนถ้าเกิดว่าเราไม่ยอมแพ้แล้วเราเสียหนักๆหรืออะไรให้ปลอบใจตัวเองนะคะให้แบบว่าไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวหยุดไว้ก่อนวันนี้แล้วเดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้เอาใหม่นะเพราะมันมีแน่นอนวันที่แบบหัวเสียหัวลั่นแล้วก็แบบนั่นน่ะทำให้แบบเราเสียเงินเยอะๆแต่ให้เป็นเพื่อนที่ดีกับตัวเองนะคะ เพราะว่าถ้าเกิดว่าเราไม่ได้เป็นเพื่อนที่ดีกับตัวเองเนี่ยบอกเลยว่าตลาดนี้โหดร้ายมากนะครับอ่ะ so my friend here she was saying that I only earn like up down I win some I lose some and I only earn like 400 points throughout the day here and I was saying 400 point is great. You don't need like 3,000 point day, 4,000 point day. You don't need to be winning that much. I mean, she gets comfortable with winning 10,000 points a day now because she's training like the whole day. But here's the thing that you have to remember: most people, 90% of traders, cannot even keep their account in their first year. So if you can survive, you don't even need to think about making money. If you just be able to keep your account, that is already great. You're already winning more than 90% of traders. That's no joke. That's nothing to be laughed at. Okay? So try to be more forgiving of yourself, trying to see in the perspective that you are better than 90% of traders out there. I'm sure today there will be a lot of people who actually blew their account as well. There's a lot of people who lose money. If you actually come out winning on top, even if you are just barely break even, you are better than 90% of traders out there. And this is the most important thing here because like even though I've been winning for this past month, this month has been great. I have like over like 80% win rate. However, I know from my personal experience that this is not my normal game. My normal game usually is sitting around like 50-55% win rate. So I know that the bad days will come and I just have to accept that. Even if I have like 2 weeks worth of like SL, I know that this week, this past week, this past beginning half a month, I have been really rolling in money because I've been hitting 2,000 point, 1,500 point, 1,400 point, 1,000 point today. I mean, it's just phenomenal. But don't be too hubris that you are on top of the world. You are going to be able to win it every day. That's not normal. What's normal is that your actual win rate, and mine is about 55%. So I try not to jinx it, but I can see my SL days coming. So that's what you really got to prepare. Psychology part is the war zone. Yeah, like you really need to prepare. This is what I found really amazing though, that they take like a bunch of people from other occupancy coming in, and there's like a computer science guy, that is a soldier, that's a teacher, that's like a homeschooling mom, a bunch of other occupancy that come in and be a trader. That's even one that coming from like financial background as well. And the funny thing is that the people who really succeed in in this experiment is actually two-person. One is the homeschool mom, basically a housewife who really know how to deal with kids because she has like basically 3 kids that she know how to deal with and deal with their unpredictability. So that I found that really profound. And the second one is the soldier, because like when the soldier need to evaluate the risk and sending the troops out, they always know that they don't try to win in every battle, but they try to calculate heavily on how to win the war. So they will save as many members as they can and try not to overexhaust them. And it's all a big plan, big picture view that not a lot of other occupancy had. So I found to be that quite astounding that of all the trades out there, only two traders come out on top. And I personally I try to get my mentors wrapped up around those two mental states, the unpredictability and the big pictures. So when I have that, I can actually plan myself on how to form my own winning edge. And this is what I found so far, that I will trade only between 9 to 11 p.m. so that I had the maximum win rate and risk reward so that I can actually survive in this market. Plus, it only takes 2 hours of my time to actually do this. If I were to trade like throughout the day, I might earn more, but at the same time I might earn less as well, because my winning edge doesn't really works on any other times. I need to find other strategy to actually work on this. But when I actually scale down to only filter out to only 2 hours a day, I it's it's like it's freedom. You're trading to live your life, right? You're not trading just to stay on the computer all day. So my personal favorite is to trade to live my life. So I only selected the most volatile time, which is basically around 9 to 10, and then that's it. I trade only this 2 hour session, and I'm done for the day. So like right today I secured another 1,000 points, and I'm pretty much done within 10 minutes a day, working only like 10-15 minutes a day, and that I feel like that is no other occupancy can do. So, all right, I'm pretty much done for today, guys. And if you really want to get in touch with me, you definitely can DM me. Click on the link on my profile, or just add my hashtag at @ProvingTrader in any platform, and you will be able to find me. Okay, so I hope to talk to you guys soon, and I'll be signing up in the next 5 minutes. If you have any question, just shoot it down below, or you could actually watch on all my previous clips and comments there. I will be over there to comment it out and give you the feedback or give you the answer to your questions. Okay. Alrighty. So yeah, I'm pretty much done for the day. It's pretty much gonna be sideways here between like on top of this 4610, 4620. I don't think it's gonna go up anywhere. So if you are going to trade some more today, good luck. I am pretty much done for the day though. All right. Wow, and that's like more people coming in. Yeah, that's surprising. Like the moment I said like I'm about to go off, and then the more people are coming in, I was just like, oh god, dang it. Yeah. Now I can't leave because like now I want to talk to the new people. uh yeah, like I keep on forgetting to like promoting myself here. I've been hitting like a winning streak for the past 4 5 days, and I was like, oh, I should really promote myself, because that's how I'm gonna get a lot more traffic right now. But I feel like my bad day will come, so I try not to jinx it, but I feel like I want to play it like 0.01 order. I don't want to try to play anything too fancy. just because like I feel like if I'm placing too much lot to feel too confident, that one bad day gonna come. But if I keep this level of cool-headedness, I'm very likely to see it hitting my TP for the rest of the month. Not to brag or anything, but right now it's actually my time right here. So, yep. Alrighty. And sorry guys, but I am ready to head out. Hopefully, you are getting something out of this trade with me today. We have been securing a really nice trade for the past couple weeks. So if you want to มาละ มาแล้วพี่ไปแล้วลูก if you want to learn with me, together with me, and join my trading community, you can definitely DM me, and we'll have both the free one, and also if you want to learn and have me as your guidance, definitely you can join my private class so that you can up your game to the next level. Okay. And of course, there are 5 levels. So if you don't know where you are right now in that 5 levels, definitely DM me. I will give you a consult with no charge so that you can know where you are and where you want to be. Okay? So have a good one. I will be signing off right now. See you tomorrow. Bye guys. หนูไม่ได้ไปโรงเรียนมา3 วันอ้าวทำไมล่ะคะทำไมไม่ได้ไปโรงเรียนอ่ะลูกฮะทำไมไม่ได้ไปโรงเรียนนะคะเป็นไรไหนบอกพี่สิเป็นไรคะไปต่างจังหวัดอ๋อโอเคสนุกเลย โอเคพี่กำลังแบบว่าค่อนข้างตอนนี้ยุ่งมากเลยหัวหมุนเลยลูกโอเคงั้นพี่ไปก่อนละบ๊ายบายบ๊ายบายนอนได้แล้วลูก5 ทุ่มแล้วฝันดีลูกบ๊ายบายไปเยี่ยมน้องค่ะ2 เดือนอ๋อตัวน้อยไปแล้วพักผ่อนให้เพียงพอนะคะคนดีบ๊ายบาย so see you guys tomorrow have a good one เพิ่งจะเปิดเพลงโอเคบ๊ายบาย I'm actually signing off right now. Bye, guys. I'm done for the day. Hitting my 1,000 points. I'm done. อ๋อเพิ่งจะเกิดเองโอเคไปถ่ายรูปส่งมาด้วยบ๊ายบาย